Hi there, friends. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there, beyond the stars we can see? Well, today I'm going to tell you about something truly amazing, the James Webb Space Telescope. It's like a magical pair of super-powered eyes that lets us explore the farthest corners of space. Let's start with a little story. Imagine being an astronomer, a scientist who studies stars and planets. For many years, astronomers used a telescope called Hubble, which gave us incredible pictures of space. But the universe is so vast that Hubble couldn't see everything. So, the scientists had a big idea. What if we build a new telescope, one so powerful it can look at the very beginning of time? That's how the James Webb Space Telescope was born. I can still picture the excitement when it launched into space in 2021. It traveled over 1 million miles away from Earth. That's like going around our planet 40 times. Now, let me tell you why this telescope is so special. You see, the James Webb Telescope is like a time machine. When it looks at stars and galaxies, it's actually seeing light that left them billions of years ago. Isn't that mind-blowing? It's as if we're looking back in time to when the first stars and galaxies were born. But wait, it gets even cooler. The telescope works by detecting something called infrared light. This type of light is invisible to our eyes, but it can travel through clouds of space dust. So, the James Webb Telescope can peek into places no other telescope could see before, like where baby stars are born or where planets might be forming. And guess what? Scientists are already discovering amazing things. They've found distant galaxies, seen stars being born, and even spotted water and gases on planets far, far away. Can you imagine? There might be planets out there where life could exist, just like here on Earth. Building the James Webb Telescope wasn't easy. Thousands of scientists and engineers worked together for years. They had to fold the telescope up like an origami crane so it would fit into a rocket. Once it reached space, it had to unfold perfectly, and it did. So, what does all this mean for us? Well, the James Webb Telescope is helping us understand our universe in ways we never could before. It's answering big questions, like how stars and planets are made and what the universe looked like when it was just a baby. And here's the best part. Every time the telescope sends back a new picture, we're reminded of how incredible our universe is. It's full of mysteries, waiting for us to explore. Now, I want to ask you, if you had a magical telescope like the James Webb, what part of space would you explore first? Maybe a distant galaxy or a planet with rings like Saturn? Let me know. I'd love to hear your ideas.